Hey, this is David with another ship tour. This time it's the Carnival Spirit. You'll normally board the ship here on deck 3, right here in the middle. You'll come in and you'll be by the middle stairs in the elevator and the atrium. But we are going to start in the front, down on deck 1. Here on deck 1, all the way forward, is the Versailles Lounge, also known as the Punchliner Comedy Club. There's a bar on the starboard side. Restrooms on the port side. The men's room is hidden back there. You normally come in through the left or right side. You could also take these spiral stairs down from deck 2. There's nothing else but cabins on deck 1, so we're going to head up to 2. And all the way forward on 2. Pharaoh's Palace. That's the main theater. There's entrances on decks 2, 3, and 4. Let's head on back. See what else is on deck 2. Promenade is on the starboard side. First thing we'll come to is the Fountain Cafe. Chris is doing trivia. It's also the Red Frog Pub. Skybox Sports Bar, Gallery.
I want to say K-O-C-H.
Oh, in the Louis XIV Casino. We can't record in there. After the casino is the middle elevators and stairs with 3 glass elevators. Banzai Sushi, a map channel. And the Spirit Lobby, the bar, guest services, Carnival Adventures, that's your excursion desk. We had a few games here in the lobby. Keep going aft on the starboard side. We come to the Alchemy. Had some good music in here. The Dance and Dance Club. I haven't stayed up late enough to go in there yet. And finally, aft elevators and the Empire Dining Room. That's your main dining room. It's on decks 2 and 3. Forward of the Empire Dining Room, 4 more elevators in the aft. There's access to the outside promenade, which goes all the way around the aft. It's been very useful with this scenery. We'll start heading forward. First thing we'll come to is the Deco Lounge and Soul Play. That's been real popular. In the daytime, this is a good place to relax, enjoy the views. Keep going forward. Got pixels. Photo gallery. Yeah. The atrium. And again, the glass elevators, mid elevators. There's Joseph. Hey, Joseph. There's exterior doors here in the middle to go outside. And then the fun shops. Effie, Portside Liquor and Tobacco. Front Street Watches. Swarovski. They have some deals once in a while. Alaska collection. Next, very important, Shanghai Piano Bar. Seats to relax on the starboard side. And then the warehouse. That's your arcade. Now we're up to the front by Favor's Palace. More exits to the outside. And then something that's unique to the Spirit class, the jungle. This is cool. Take that all the way forward and you can get to Circle C on deck 4. We're all the way forward on deck 9 now. You can see there's a place to stand above the bridge and look outside. It's great on days like this in Tracy Arm Fjord. We're going to start heading back inside. First thing you have is the fitness center. It's on decks 9 and 10. Hello. We'll go back and there's the spa. There's locker rooms and sauna and steam room for everyone, no extra cost. Highly recommend coming up here for a shower. They have 5 heads. Very roomy, luxurious shower. There's the doctor.
No worries, yeah. So remember I just said I was gonna just put together a few things for you. Just for ease. Yeah.
Heading on back. We have the first of 3 pools. This is the sun pool. There's a whirlpool here. Oh, this is a beautiful day. Next up is the dome pool, also the main pool. Have two bars here, Blue Iguana and Red Frog. Just like every Carnival ship, it's Guy's Burgers, Blue Iguana Mexican food. Oh, and your dive-in movies are here, of course. And next up, La Playa Grill, also known as the Lido Buffet. It's not as far from the front to the back of the buffet as other ships. We're on the port side. At lunchtime is chopsticks. In the evening, it's seafood for an extra cost.
Or you could just give her a massage.
Toward the back is the deli Open from 11 to 11. Desserts. Salad bar. Sorry. And on the starboard side, Pizza Pirate. Yeah. We'll head out to the aft on the starboard side. This is the Serenity deck for everyone 21 and over. There's bar, hot tub, and pool. Let's head on up to deck 10. See waterworks from here on deck 11. Great place to view the scenery up here on deck 10, especially here where the picnic tables are. It's right outside the Novell Steak Restaurant, which takes up 10 and 11. Plus your restrooms and your elevators are right inside there. This was a favorite spot during the Panama Canal transit and times like this, of course. Besides the steakhouse, there's only one other thing on deck 10, and that's Kids Club in the forward area. Excuse me.
Arts and crafts is 15 by 15. I think it is. I think that's what we both attend.
Right to the right of it. You can see them.
Circle C is right inside those doors. And that's it for deck 10. Let's go up to 11. This is the sports deck. Your mini golf, and jogging track, a basketball court, and of course to the back is waterworks. That should just about do it for today. Bonus tip: learn this lobby on deck 9. It's right by the buffet. Go forward, there's exits most people don't know about. Take you straight to the ice cream and the Lido on the side, or stairs going up to deck 10, the steak restaurant, or outside.